Greenwich Village is like no other place on earth. The art, artists, thought leaders, and political movements that sprang from this little New York neighborhood are countless and still coming. For almost 200 years, decade after decade, these streets have borne witness to whatever was new and experimental, cutting edge and inspirational in the world of literature, art, music, and theater. From James Baldwin to Mark Twain, Bob Dylan to Billie Holiday, Jackson Pollock to Andy Warhol. You can still feel their energy as you walk the very cobblestone streets that they did. And as exciting as all of those cultural luminaries are, the real heart and soul of Greenwich Village are the generations of everyday people who've made this place their home. It's a true neighborhood with mom and pop shops and fabulous eateries, schools and playgrounds, and tree-lined streets. And at the center of it all has been Greenwich House. Since 1902, Greenwich House has been a vital part of this unique community. Education, arts, healthcare, and social services across a small and vibrant campus of buildings. In good times and bad, world wars, pandemics, economic crises, and more, Greenwich House has been a home people can count on and one that adjusts to the needs of the time. From the beginning, Greenwich House was a pioneer social service agency, responding to people's needs in direct and innovative ways. In 1920, they opened the first official daycare center in the nation to serve working mothers. In 1942, they started the first after-school child care program in the city. In 1963, Greenwich House created the first walk-in outpatient center for drug treatment in New York. Greenwich House was also the first and for years the only organization to respond to the AIDS crisis in New York by starting the AIDS Mental Health Project in 1987 and creating a primary care initiative for AIDS patients. All of that here in our little village. And through it all, Greenwich House has stayed true to its original vision. It's a hub for the community, providing social services and art and music and gathering spaces, serving New Yorkers of all ages, backgrounds, and cultures. The spirit of innovation and community building is thriving. Now more than ever, it's hard to know where the next area of need will be, but you can be sure Greenwich House will meet the moment. Greenwich Village is the beating heart of New York, and the beating heart of Greenwich Village is Greenwich House. Tonight, we will show you why.